today we're going to do a Walmart haul and a little Dollar Tree haul. We don't have much in there, but I haven't done one for a while, so I thought I would show you what we got. First off, well, we got a pill organizer because Mr. Bill wanted one there. That's for him. And Big's dill pickle sunflower seeds. Dill pickle ones are pretty big ones. He loves sunflower seeds and dill pickles, so he's going to give that one a try. If anybody's ever tried these, let us know if you like them. And smoked oysters in oil. Of course, you probably know who this one is for, too.
No, they wouldn't know that.
And a little zipper pouch here. You know, I don't know how long that'll last, but he's just wanting it for a, because for his truck, when he gets the oil change and stuff, he's just wanting to put it.
Keep all the receipts.
Yeah, because he's a receipt guy.
Mm-hmm.
I throw them away. And, look, I had to get me some glasses. Some pink glasses.
Don't she look cute?
I don't know how good they're going to work in the sun. Probably not very good. But
Kind of looks like Elton John with those on.
my favorite. I don't care if I look like him. That's all right.
I do.
All right. Here we go for our Wally World. Tostito scoops.
Billy.
Heiner's has a new butter bread. So
Billy.
he was wanting peanut butter and jelly last night. We didn't have any bread. So that's for him there. See what
With
else?
my goat milk.
Ugh. See what else we got here. All right. And, you know, this is
Billy again.
smoked turkey wings.
Mm-hmm. Love them.
For these two here, $7.70.
Yeah.
2 pounds.
A little expensive, but.
But he can get 2 or 3 meals out of that. And a T-bone steak.
Mm-hmm.
And who's that
Billy.
for?
Hey, looks like it all's for me.
Yeah. And he said I was expensive. We was going through the line. I was like, I don't think I got much. I'm already stocked up on my stuff. All right.
Billy.
Kosher dill pickles.
Well, you're low carb, you know, you got to eat
Yeah.
dill pickles. You can eat all
can't
of them you
eat
want.
You can't eat these.
Right.
Yeah,
Not supposed to have that stuff.
Yeah. And a gel eye mask for...
Billy. And
Because
she got me a girly one.
he's feeling pretty.
No, I'm having eye surgery. So I got to have something to keep frozen on my eyes.
And Head and Shoulders. I like that. For a change, sometimes I use it. I use Bed Head, usually, shampoo and conditioner. Burpees, cantaloupe seeds. We planted some melon seeds, and they're the ones that didn't come up. Everything else did. All of our tomatoes, cucumbers, the melon seeds, and there was only 4 seeds in the last pack we bought. They didn't come
Yeah, I
up.
should have just bought a mushmallow and cut
There
the
you
seeds
go.
out.
So we're going to try it again because it only took 4 days for the others to come up. Some baby bella mushrooms.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to do some stuffing on those and whatever else. He likes to saute them and eat them.
I love stuffed mushrooms. Or just saute them up and eat them.
Yeah, he likes that. Oh, something that's mine.
Green pepper.
Ours.
Yeah.
A green pepper.
To dip in my blue cheese.
Radishes.
Billy.
Billy. Ginger.
Billy.
This was a Billy run, I think.
Kind of looks like it, don't
It
it?
does.
Here, I didn't think I got nothing.
Yeah, you got it all. Heavy whipping cream, both.
Both.
Parmesan shredded cheese, both.
Both.
We're getting ready to do a video on that. And
Yeah, you guys got to stay tuned for that video because it's going to be good.
it'll be this week sometime. And Tostitos.
You got to have something to dip those chips in.
That's why you got them. Salsa con queso, medium.
Or if somebody brings me some salsa, which they promised homemade salsa.
He's hoping somebody's going to bring him some homemade salsa, so we'll see. So he's like, I got to get some chips to be prepared. And in case it doesn't pan out,
I got the cheese.
he's got backup.
Always got to have backup.
All right, guys, that's it. And all of the stuff from Walmart, $90. Oh, we did get some pop. You know, we got some Diet Mountain Dew, a 6-pack. And
She had to have it.
and
Oh, that was it.
yeah, and Billy got a 6-pack of Pepsi and a 6-pack of Orange Crush.
Because you know, you got to have Orange Crush.
But that stuff will last him for
A long time.
a while.
I don't drink it like Miss Connie does. She drinks it 4 or 5 a day, and I'll drink
I don't drink.
one maybe in a week.
Yeah, he doesn't drink it very often. I will say that. He drinks
'Cause
water and tea.
Yeah, I love to drink water or iced tea.
And I did drink 40 ounces of water this morning before I went to go do my blood work, because they always say they can't find my veins. Anybody else have that problem?
I don't.
And a nurse one time told me the reason why is because I don't drink water. So before I get my blood work now, I drink water, and I've done that for a few years now, and they don't have a problem finding my vein. So
It's all that Diet Mountain Dew. It keeps the veins all
well,
clogged up.
The
You know,
caffeine dehydrates me too.
you got to have that water to plump them up.
I
Plump
think-
them. Plump them, baby.
I think our videos are turning into vlogs, so maybe we need to do, we tell you about our life all the time,
We have a channel for that.
which is fine. We don't care. You guys got questions, we'll answer them.
Yep.
So we hope you stay tuned for the rest of our goodies on the next video. We're going to try to do the onions with the Parmesan cheese on it. Sounds delicious. And that's what the Parmesan cheese is for.
And we're getting ready to do that here in
So
just
we're
a little
gonna do
bit.
it as soon as Billy slices the onions.
Yep.
So, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.